Hi everyone. Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into a relatable workday scenario, when the to-do list feels endless and deadlines seem impossible to meet. Join Emma and Lucas as they tackle their busy schedules, share tips, and find a way to stay productive under pressure. Let's get started.
I couldn't get around to doing it yesterday. The workload was just overwhelming.
What exactly were you trying to get done? Was it the presentation for Monday?
Yeah, that's the one. I kept meaning to start, but things kept popping up.
Tell me about it. It's been one of those weeks for me too.
I thought I'd have time after lunch, but then I got pulled into that surprise meeting.
Oh, the one about the budget changes? That ate up so much of my afternoon too.
Right. By the time it ended, I was so drained I couldn't focus on anything.
Same here. I meant to review the quarterly report, but I just couldn't get around to it either.
I feel like the to-do list just keeps growing, and there's no end in sight.
Maybe we're taking on too much. Have you thought about delegating some tasks?
I wish I could, but there's no one else who knows the details as well as I do.
I get that. It's hard to let go of responsibilities when you're the one who owns them.
Exactly. But at this rate, I'm worried I'll miss my deadlines.
What if we carved out an hour today to focus on just one task, no interruptions?
That might help. I really need to make some progress on the slides for that meeting.
Okay, let's set a time. Maybe right after lunch?
Perfect. That gives me some time to tie up a few loose ends first.
Sounds good. Oh, and if you need help with the visuals, let me know.
Thanks. I might take you up on that. You're great with graphics.
No problem at all. I'm happy to help. We're all in this together, right?
Definitely. I just need to get over this mental block and get started.
Sometimes starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, it'll all fall into place.
You're right. I think I've been overthinking it.
It happens to the best of us. Just take it one step at a time.
Thanks for the pep talk. I feel a little more motivated now.
Anytime. And remember, no distractions during that hour, okay?
Got it. Phone on silent, email closed. Full focus mode.
That's the spirit. Let's check in after and see how much we got done.
Deal. Hopefully, I can finally cross that off my list.
I'm sure you will. You've got this.
Thanks. Let's make it a productive day.
And now, we're going to learn how to use the idiom butter someone up. The phrase butter someone up means to flatter or praise someone excessively, often with the intention of gaining their favor or achieving a specific goal. Now, let's take a look at the following conversation to understand how this idiom is used in context.
Do you think Mia was trying to butter someone up during the meeting earlier?
Oh, absolutely. The way she complimented Mr. Harris on every little thing was so obvious.
I know, right? It felt like she was laying it on a bit thick.
Honestly, she's been doing that a lot lately. Last week, she brought him coffee and pastries out of nowhere.
Oh, that's classic. She's definitely trying to win him over for that promotion.
But do you think it works? I mean, Mr. Harris doesn't seem like the type to fall for flattery.
You'd be surprised. Even the most professional people can be swayed by a little attention.
Maybe, but it just feels so fake. I prefer honesty, not all this buttering up nonsense.
Same. It makes me wonder if she even means the compliments she gives.
Probably not. I mean, she told Alex last month that she didn't like Harris' management style. Now she's his biggest fan?
Wow, that's so transparent. I can't imagine trying to butter someone up that blatantly.
It's not just Harris. I saw her doing the same thing with the team lead last month.
Seriously? What was she after that time?
I think she wanted to be assigned to the Johnson project, and guess what? She got it.
Unbelievable. I mean, I get wanting to make a good impression, but this just feels manipulative.
Exactly. If she put half as much effort into her actual work as she does into buttering people up, she wouldn't need to.
Do you think people notice? Or is it just us?
Oh, they notice. I overheard someone from marketing joking about it last week.
That's good to know. I wouldn't want her to think she's fooling everyone.
Still, it's annoying. I work hard and play fair, and people like her just charm their way to the top.
It's frustrating, but at least you know your success is based on merit.
True, but sometimes it feels like that isn't enough around here.
I get it. The system isn't always fair, but you're doing the right thing by staying authentic.
Thanks, it helps to talk about it. I just needed to vent.
Anytime. And hey, maybe Harris will see through it eventually.
I hope so. For now, I'll just focus on my own work and ignore the drama.
That's the best approach. Besides, buttering someone up doesn't last forever.
Yeah, eventually, people see through it. Let's just hope it's sooner rather than later.
Agreed. In the meantime, let's keep working hard and let the results speak for themselves.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for listening.
Of course. Anytime you need to talk, I'm here.
Now, we are going to learn how to use the phrase just in case and understand its meaning. The phrase just in case is used to talk about being prepared for something that might happen, even if it is unlikely. It's a way to take precautions or plan ahead for unexpected situations. Now, let's take a look at the following conversation to see how it's used in context.
Hey, are you bringing your umbrella today?
Yeah, I am. Just in case it rains.
But the forecast said it's going to be sunny all day.
I know, but you can never trust the weather completely.
Fair point. I hate getting caught in unexpected rain.
Exactly. That's why I always carry an umbrella, just in case.
I should probably start doing that too. Last week, I got drenched walking home.
See, better safe than sorry.
But doesn't it get annoying carrying it around when it doesn't rain?
Not really. My umbrella's lightweight, and it fits in my bag.
Oh, that's smart. Mine's bulky, so I don't carry it unless I'm sure it'll rain.
You should invest in a compact one. They're super convenient.
I guess I should. I'll check online later.
You should. It's worth it, just in case you need it.
Do you always plan ahead like this?
Pretty much. I hate being unprepared, especially when it comes to weather.
I admire that. I'm usually the guy who forgets and regrets it later.
Well, now you know the trick. Always be prepared, just in case.
Noted. I'll make it a habit.
Good idea. You'll thank yourself the next time it pours out of nowhere.
True. Do you think it might rain today though?
Honestly, I don't think so, but I'm not taking chances.
You're definitely the cautious type.
I guess so, but it works for me.
I should have asked earlier, can I borrow your umbrella if it rains today?
Sure, but I might charge you a fee.
Huh, fair enough. Maybe I'll just buy my own.
You should. It'll save you from depending on others, just in case.
Alright, you've convinced me. Compact umbrella shopping it is.
Great. You'll wonder why you didn't get one sooner.
Thanks for the tip. And thanks for being my just-in-case weather guide today.
No problem. Always happy to help.
That wraps up today's lesson. I hope it was easy to follow and helpful for your learning journey. Keep practicing to enhance your vocabulary and English skills. Thank you for joining, and see you next time.
Please subscribe, like and comment. Thank you.